Today, I'm going to show you how I made over $26,000 in a single day with about 10 minutes of work using what I believe is the most powerful method for affiliate marketing in 2025. So what is it and why is it so powerful? Well, it's this. It's AI-powered faceless content systems. And in 2023, I used this approach dozens of times on my own campaigns and on other people's businesses to not only generate massive amounts of income, but also to grow my email list to over 500,000 people and just completely transform my business. Now, the thing is that most people don't know this exists, or they don't understand how to use it best, and they're missing out on sales and affiliate commissions as a result. So here's a recent campaign that took me just a few minutes to set up that generated over $2,000 in commissions and high ticket sales with just one faceless video. Now, let me show you how this works. Now, this new AI approach is popping up everywhere. You can see it here, an example on LinkedIn. You see it popping up in image posts on Instagram. And you see it especially in video reels on TikTok, as well as Instagram reels. Now, you only need a few things to actually access this approach. You need access to an affiliate offer. You need access to an AI generator, such as ChatGPT, Midjourney, or Artlist. And you need a social media account that you can use to post. Now, most people trying to do this are missing a few key components that would make them much more successful. First thing is an affiliate offer that has worldwide appeal. Social media is international. You can't control who's going to see your post. And for instance, these videos on YouTube are only seen by 20% of the people are in the US. So the other 80%, if I am only marketing a affiliate offer that accepts customers in the US, I'm missing out on 80% of the audience. The second thing that most people are missing is a consistent theme to their social media page. Are you consistently posting about the affiliate offer or offers that you are actually marketing? If you're not, you're leaving money on the table because you're being inconsistent. And the third thing is an overarching monetization strategy. If you are talking about baseball, you should have a number of affiliate programs you've joined and be selling products related to baseball, such as baseball hats, baseball gear, baseball jerseys, etc. Now, here's some examples of top affiliates that are using this system to dominate in 2025. Here's the first profile. This is called AI Century. And what you'll see is that they've racked up over 400,000 followers across social media platforms. And what I love that they do is every software program they talk about, they affiliate links in their bio. Their content is consistent, talking about AI softwares, and their affiliate links are consistent with offers for AI software, so that this is a great channel and they're posting consistently using purely AI content, as you can see in this AI voiceover, AI video, AI image, AI everything. Now, here's our second example of an affiliate who's crushing it. And this is Maxian Football on Instagram. And what you'll see is this is all AI generated content of mostly Cristiano Ronaldo in ridiculous situations. And this is very well done. And they also have tons of followers on YouTube as well. I mean, you check this out, over 8 million followers by posting AI generated content on YouTube. That's just insane. And here's our third example of an affiliate who's crushing it, doing over 100,000 followers on TikTok. And we see over 25,000 subscribers on YouTube. So that means this person is making ad revenue as well as affiliate revenue. So as you can see, it's all AI generated content about football, or soccer as we call it in the US. And then we have affiliate links to team jerseys where you can buy jerseys of different teams. Very congruent, makes a lot of sense, talking about football, selling football jerseys, and consistently posting content, growing those social media and selling products. Most people totally misunderstand how to use AI for affiliate marketing though. They think, oh, I'll just have ChatGPT pump out 500 posts for me. Look, that's a content factory approach rather than using AI as a strategic tool. AI is meant to accelerate your workflow and improve it rather than completely completely replace it. And look, the content algorithms, they prioritize expertise, they prioritize experience, trustworthiness, authoritativeness, and uniqueness. Therefore, if you're using AI as a content factory of low quality, non-unique content, you're not going to do well. What AI is ideal for is ideation, scripting, content generation, video, image, voiceovers, but the workflow still needs to have human checkpoints at stages to make sure it's going to be content that's going to pop off. The second big misunderstanding about AI is that folks think that if they just post more content that eventually something's gonna sell. Look, quality is more important than quantity on the internet. You could look through the internet and you could just see tons of posts with no views. You'll actually never see them because they don't get recommended, because there's a lot of junk out there. You wanna post quality content. One good Instagram reel will get millions of views, whereas 100 posts of junk might get a few views each. So you wanna focus on quality over quantity. The third big misunderstanding is if AI can write it, it can sell. Look, out of the box, AI isn't the best salesperson or the best marketer. The reality is that AI needs to be trained properly. Feeding it customer reviews of the product from Amazon, feeding it customer data on the personas that actually use the product will make it perform much better for marketing copy, image content, and video content than if you just use AI right out of the box. Now, in my course, AI Marketers Club, we give you an AI agent that works right out of the box. And we show people how you can create your own AI agents to sell to small businesses or to use for affiliate marketing that are trained and are highly effective in promoting products, in pre-prompting, in creating customer personas. And you can use this information to create your own AI agents for anything you want to market, whether you need a copywriter, a graphic designer, etc. You can use our agents or learn how to create your own. Let's walk through the various types of content that you can create with AI, and I'm going to rank them by their effectiveness. So we're going to look at text, image, video, and audio. First coming in is the text tier, and the text tier I rate as a B because although the AI, ChatGPT and other text AIs are great out of the box for research and ideation and writing essays and stuff like that, they actually don't do a very good job of writing quality and believable marketing messaging, convincing posts. And I found that AI needs to be trained on context, where the content is being posted or stuff like that. It needs to be trained on the customer personas, and it needs to be trained on actual marketing that is performing in your niche, which is one of the reasons why I'm always teaching my students to create swipe files as an essential just foundation for marketing. Now, for my latest infomercial, I found that using an actual script writer, I paid him $15,000 to a copywriter who works in DRTV, was far more effective than the content I got from ChatGPT. So I'm still using script writers for my most important marketing assets, which, I'm paying money to advertise on worldwide media. Now, coming in second, image AIs. Now, my personal favorite is Midjourney, and the image AIs are just absolutely astounding, and they're getting better every single week. Now, what I don't like and why this doesn't get the top ranking is because image AIs are still absolutely awful at putting text over images. And oftentimes, that's just a very important part of any marketing content we're kind of doing, right? Those extra layers, right? There's the image layer and the text layer overlay. It hasn't really gotten that yet. The other thing is that image AIs aren't very good for more complex or specialty images, such as charts or graphs and other stuff like that. So I've just found some shortfalls there, but generally speaking, I'm using image AIs for most of my marketing nowadays. Now, coming in third on the list is video. And video I'm ranking a C because although the videos that are being produced by AI look absolutely amazing, and when you hone things in, it's mind-blowing, but it takes a lot of patience, a lot of trial and error to get something that I would consider production worthy right out of the gate. So it's a bit more time consuming. I was doing a student demo in one of our live streams the other day, and it took an hour to create what I felt was a production quality advertisable reel. Coming on fourth, but not least, is audio AI. And I prefer using 11 Labs, are absolutely amazing. And this comes in at the S tier because quality is undecipherable from human beings. And I'm actually using audio AIs on my advertisements as well. I use it for my TV infomercial. I use it as the voiceover. And in the past, I used to pay thousands of dollars to actual voiceover specialists. You know, that's what we have out here in Los Angeles. It used to be a career, but I'd say it's completely gone with the advent of AI. But it sounds amazing. And nobody notices that my infomercial is using, you know, I just trained it on, I uploaded my infomercial and it got all the voices already figured out. A friend of mine, Mike, actually recently released a country album on Spotify. He writes songs. He's been writing songs for years as just a hobby, but he was amazed that he could actually upload them to a audio AI and create unbelievable songs that are written exactly the way he wants them to be. I just was amazed at the quality of work that you're able to get out of audio AIs. But here's some specific examples of how I've actually used AI in actual content that is being seen by people all over the world. And here is a piece from my infomercial where I have the voiceover actually done by AI.
Have you been struggling with money problems? Is your debt getting out of control? Maybe you have a job but are still living paycheck to paycheck. Want to say bye-bye to your boss? Worried you need a better plan for retirement? Now is the time you discover a new way to make money working from home.
I just had to change some words around, but it's unrecognizable from the actual voiceover person who did this in the past. And here's some copywriting on my sales page for the AI Marketers Club. I just used it to kind of get specific words, get the specific way of phrasing things. I told AI what my product was about. It just helped me kind of wordsmith and do a little bit of copywriting where I already generally knew what I wanted to say. ChatGPT helped me really hone it in and make it look good. But it's really important to note about consistency. If you want to be successful with online marketing, you're going to need to have whatever social accounts you're using be consistent in a few different ways because it's going to have a compounding effect on your success and your earnings. Okay, so the first thing is make sure you're consistent with your content type. Are you using image posts? Are you using all text posts? Are you using video posts? Are you using carousels? Are you using square videos? Are you using vertical videos? Be consistent with what you're posting because your audience will grow accustomed to receiving a particular type of content from you. The second thing is consistency with the actual content format. Is it text on screen? Is it a certain type of lighting you're using? Are there certain types of characters? In my videos, for instance, it's always me. So there's that consistency there. In my videos also, we're always showing screen share stuff on the computer. It's not just me presenting talking head video, for instance. And it's not me doing interview. It's oftentimes me showing stuff on the computer. So I'm consistent in my content type, though I need to get more consistent on a regular posting schedule, right? YouTube isn't my main thing. I'm an infomercial guy, you know, on late night TV. But enough talking about things. Let me show you how I actually use AI to generate multiple pieces of content for posting in under an hour. As you'll see here on the screen, this is a recording from one of my student sessions in my mentorship program. And what you see here is first we're pre-prompting the AI to actually create some customer personas. We loaded up one of our AI agents that we use to sell AI Marketers Club. And what you'll see here is I'm getting some of the pre-prompting, I'm getting some scripts from the AI. I'm playing this on super speed here. And what I do a little bit is a little bit of tweaking, maybe a bit more urgency, a bit more scarcity. And here I got my affiliate link. And as you see, I'm tweaking the post. First place we're posting is LinkedIn. And what we're doing is we're creating an actual video. Make sure you subscribe and enable notifications if you want to see this sort of work done on the live stream. But as you see here, what we did next is we got AI to give us a storyboard. So we have a series of kind of like comic book images almost for that we're going to use to plug in to Canva to create an actual AI video. And you'll see us here actually going through and creating videos. We've created about 50 different videos in this. And part of this process is reviewing what is the best video. Each time you have it create a video, you get 4 with Midjourney. It looks like we got our video in place. And here I am also creating the voiceover text and the voiceover copy so that the video has audio over it. And this is going to be included in our post. And as you see, the video from AI is just absolutely unbelievable. We found cartoon characters and work better than trying to go for pure realism in all these cases. And there we have it. That was a full demo of us posting on AI, which was pretty gnarly. In my course, the AI Marketers Club, I teach people how to create their own AI agents and how to have AI do much of your work for you. So if you're in any sort of marketing role, you should be leveraging AI to the hilt. If you're not in a marketing role, if you're looking to find a way to make money from your computer, you should be working with AI to just give yourself an absolutely unfair advantage. But without further ado, let me go over my system of how I earned over $26,000 in a single day with very little work. It was following my formula, which is people, place, product. And in this case, the people, we got them using this system from emails that were sent to a influencers list of people that have signed up for email alerts, inviting them to an AI automated webinar. And that is the place, right? So we have the people coming from email. We have the place being a automated webinar. And then the third thing is the product. Where are we collecting the money? And in this case, the product was an AI educational course costing about $1,000 on ClickBank. So that's how I use AI to create faceless content that converts like crazy. Now, if you want my entire AI marketing system, you can click the link in the description below and go through the process and get access to the community. Make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Enable notifications if you guys want to be on my future live streams, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.